Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Now select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Over here you need to set up an hour and click on the switcher next to repeat. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with maybe Fridays and Mondays. Then scroll down, click on the switcher next to vibration to turn it off or on. And click on label. Over here you can label your alarm however you want to and click on OK. Now click on ringtone over here and tap on add new. From here you can select melody that you wish to add to your alarm. As you can see, I don't have any, unfortunately, so I have to go back. Pick one of those, like for example early summer, and go back. To save your alarm, click on the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. In order to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, then select pin icon at the top right corner. And now it's gone. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you can always do that by selecting those three dots at the top right corner and adjusting all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!